Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix storage full error on your Black Shark gaming tablet. In case your tablet gives you a storage full notification, which I don't have right now, but if it was shown somewhere here, then you will need to free up the storage, and you can do it in different ways. Let's go into different ways. Basically, you can either transfer the data somewhere by, for example, inserting an SD card. There's a video about it, and then transferring the data, or deleting the data if you don't need something. So yeah, there's a video on how to insert and use an SD card, but in this video I'll show you how to just remove the things. So when you go to the storage, as you can see here, it'll show me how much storage is being used out of how much I have in total, and in my case it's not much being used, but if in your case it is, then you may want to go to apps and see which apps use the most storage. You can see I have different apps, and some of them use more, some of them use less storage. You can see some of them are core system apps, so you shouldn't uninstall them. But if there are some games that you don't play anymore, or some apps that you don't use and you've installed them yourself, then you can click on them and uninstall them. I don't know what happened to the app that I had here, the Asphalt. I'm pretty sure it uses storage, and it's not shown here, or do I just not see it? That is interesting. Let's try sorting by name, maybe that way. No, it's not there. It's not there. That is weird. But I'll try to go to apps maybe. And there it is, you can see. And you can see that it uses 4.31 gigabytes. And let's say I don't need it anymore. Then I can just uninstall it. The same goes to files and stuff like that. So if you go to storage and see, oh, it wasn't in apps, it was in games, I believe. Yeah, that's why it wasn't shown in apps. Okay. Now if I go to images, I can, for example, find the images that I have. Let's go to screenshots, for example, and if I want to delete some, I can click here, select all, for example, or just press and hold on one of them and then start clicking on the other ones that I would want to delete, then delete them, click on OK. But later they won't be deleted. I think they won't be deleted permanently, or will they? I don't really see an option to like restore it. But sometimes if you delete them straight in the Photos app, then here they will appear in trash, and you can click on them to like permanently delete them. And yeah, there are other things that will be listed here. Well, my trash is empty, okay. And that is what you can do. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.